How's it going, everybody? I'm here this weekend. I'm from Charlotte, North Carolina today. It's 70 degrees outside, bright, beautiful, loving it. Great change of pace from last week when we had the snow. I want to talk about the markets a little bit so we can just hop onto it. Many different reports came out this week, but the most important one is the annual core PCE report. It measures the price that consumers are paying for goods. There's a couple different ones, but this is the main one that the Fed uses to measure inflation. It came in at 0.29, which is the lowest it's been since COVID started, which at this point in time is about 4 years ago. And with this data, there comes about two mindsets of interpretation that I see economists have. One is obviously the Fed raises over the last couple years have helped combat inflation. It's a good thing. We should keep the rates higher for longer. The other mindset, and the one I'm seeing that's more common, is that, look, we've already raised the rates up. Inflation's being combated, lowest numbers since before COVID. We should start cutting rates now because we've already hit our mark. But this is what you can tell your clients if they ask you, what do you think? Mr. or Mrs. Buyer, the metrics that the Fed uses to combat inflation is showing positive trends, which is great for long-term interest rates for homes. However, there's still uncertainty of what the mindset of the Fed is. Until March, we won't really know. And uncertainty is never a good thing in economic markets. Also, on a little side note, with high interest rates and all-time high prices of homes, affordability has always been an issue. Somehow, though, insurance got overlooked. Insurance premiums are at an all-time high. They're increasing a lot right now. We've been quoting at higher rates because that's what people are seeing more onto the market. You may have clients call you that have closed previously. Why are my premiums going up? It's a common thing right now. And some states are having providers pull out altogether. States like Texas, California, Florida. So a lot of these are having no providers at all even left into the state, and the state's having to take over some of that. So it's something to keep an eye out, look out for as well. If you have any questions, let me know. There's a great guy that I know that can help you and answer any insurance questions you might have. And that about wraps it up. I'll be back in Philly next week. Better quality videos again. I'm kind of limited to what I have access today. But if you have any questions, I'm available all weekend. Property flyers, loan estimates, pre-approvals, just reach out. I'm there to help. If you don't mind as well, make sure you follow me on my socials. The links below. There's little buttons that you click. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.